Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Zangi Messenger app if it's not working properly. If the app is not opening, messages are not sending, or calls are failing, these simple fixes can help you solve the problem. Let's get started. Zangi is a privacy-focused messaging app used for calls and messages, even on slow internet connections. However, users sometimes experience issues like connection errors, delayed messages, or app crashes. Here are the most effective fixes. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Zangi requires a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi, mobile data. If your internet is weak, messages and calls may fail or get delayed. Step 2. Restart the app. Close the Zangi app completely. Then reopen it and try again. Restarting the app refreshes the connection and often fixes temporary glitches. Step 3. Restart your phone. Sometimes the issue is caused by background system errors. Restart your device and open the app again. This clears temporary system problems. Step 4. Clear app cache, Android. Corrupted cache files can cause apps to malfunction. Steps 1. Open settings. 2. Tap apps. 3. Select Zangi. 4. Tap storage. 5. Tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your data. Step 5. Update the app. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store. Search for Zangi and check if an update is available. App updates usually include bug fixes and performance improvements. Step 6. Reinstall the app. If the problem continues, 1. Uninstall Zangi. 2. Restart your phone. 3. Install the app again from the official store. Reinstalling often fixes crashes or loading issues. Step 7. Check app permissions. Make sure Zangi has permission for Internet access, contacts, microphone, storage. Missing permissions can prevent messaging or calls from working properly. Step 8. Contact Zangi support. If nothing works, contact the official support team. Support email support@zangi.com. They can help if your account has technical issues or restrictions. Quick tip. Most Zangi problems are caused by internet issues, outdated app versions, or temporary bugs. Updating the app or reinstalling it usually fixes the issue. And that's it. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. See you in the next one.